polished these yellow headlights on this 2005 Mercedes E320 CDI. 15 years old. The car's been sitting outside for 2 years, just sitting, doing nothing, and these headlights are pretty crappy. For regular G3 wrapping compound, you actually use this to polish paint. I've got some Gorilla tape here. Some old, this is the buffing pad, which is actually quite old and worn out, but it works well still. Some sandpaper, 1000 grit and 2000 grit. We may not even need that, but I have it, and my water bottle. Roller tape is nice and thick, so it's better than masking tape, and I put that on the edge of the paint, so when I polish the lights, I don't burn through the paint. Okay, this is so sticky. Give it a little bit of a demonstration here, and the reason why I put tape along the paint edge of the bumper and the fender is because when I polish the headlight with this high-speed buffer from 1980, you can see this, and I touch the paint on the fender, this foam buffing pad can burn through the paint very quickly, so you want to be very careful that you don't do that. If you can see this here, it's very yellow and spotty and foggy here. It's just not conducive to good lighting driving at night. Squeeze some compound out, kind of spread it out over the headlight. Not really much. There's a water spray bottle. Spit my water on here. Everything's lubricated, and so that's just once around. Take a look at that. It's better, still not perfect. Still got some white marks here. I'll polish that all out. But look at this, and look at the unpolished side. So the difference. So we're gonna do this without any kind of sanding it, especially here. Some more compound on here. The water for lubrication. Spray a little water on the buffing pad, and away we go. This is not quite coming out here. So we're going to water sand that now. A little block here. Some water sandpaper. This happens to be 3M. 2000 grit. Just right here. Some spot that I just want to get rid of. Let's see. This is going to work. Oh, getting better. Not quite there yet. Little spot right here. I'm gonna water sand. Yeah. I know this buffing pad looks old and worn out, and I need to get a new one. But that's how it works. So hey. I think that nothing makes a car look old and worn out than yellow faded headlights. And voila, done. That's about as good as it's gonna get. Looks pretty good, I think. The lens now. Hey. Talking to myself.
Yeah, no, I'm believing that I'm getting it.
Same thing. Tape, nice thick tape. Protect the paint. And nope. All right. Buffing pad, water, blah blah blah. Let's well, that was like super duper easy. As I'm putting the compound on, I can feel the heat coming out the headlight. That was easy. This one was much easier than the big light, the main headlight. Wow, that looks like a new headlight right there. Not too shabby. Let's see here. Excess compound. So what do you think? It's easy, isn't it? Anybody can do this. All right, so one drawback from doing this is you put the piece of cardboard across here so the overspray doesn't go everywhere, but that's the white overspray from the compound everywhere, which I'm just going to give that car a quick little bath. The before, very yellow and spotty and blotted, very yellow. This is the after, nice and clear. You see the bulbs inside, high beam and whatever the hell that is. And here, same thing, nice and clear, much better lighting.